Hi guys, a Frugal Gal here with a pop-up sale. I let you vote on a video to see what you wanted me to put in my next pop-up sale, and the overwhelming results were first place was necklaces, second place was bracelets. So I'm going to do some necklaces and some bracelets. I'm going to kind of go through it fast. I'll edit this video and you'll see on the screen how much each thing costs. So what you need to do is the rules of this, I guess you call them rules, I will put down in the description each lot, the numbers, so in case you don't remember what you see on the screen, and the description and how much they are, and I'll tell you as I'm showing them to you. You need to leave me a comment telling me which lots you want. Please do not edit your comments. Wait till the end of the video to leave your comment, because that's not fair to other people if you go back and keep editing your comments as you're watching. Also, you have to be able to pay with PayPal. So, unless we have a prior arrangement, that is, and then those people know who they are, and I will stick to that prior arrangements. So, let's get started. Oh, and when you pay with PayPal, I will invoice you through PayPal. I need your email if I don't have it, and my email is down there in the description. It's vintageweartoday@gmail.com, and I'll put it on the screen right now. So, we're going to start with some bracelets. Now, these are, if you guys are familiar with Alex and Annie, I think it is, bracelets. These are that type of bracelets, but they're not Alex and Annie. They're actually made by a company called KIS, and that stands for Keep It Sensational. And if you look these up, they have their own website. These bracelets, you can buy them brand new with the charms, go for $18 a piece. I am charging $5 a piece because they are in good condition. They just need some cleanup on them. So $5 a piece for this one. It's number one, lot number one, and we're going to identify it by, it's got the orange stone on it, and then it's got these little charms on it that say like truth, and it has the kiss on there, and love, and made with, love. So the orange stone one, $5. Lot number two is another KIS bracelet. It's got a blue stone. It also says love and truth on it, on the little charms. And then this one says enjoy life. So also $5. And that's the blue one, lot number two. Lot number three is identifiable because one of the charms has mom on it. Has the made with love charm, the kiss charm, and then a little bead on it. And then it's got that flower on the back of the charm with the mom. That is $5. That's lot number three. Lot number four is identifiable by a purple. The purple. Actually, it's not stones. I should be saying rhinestones. So, and it has the made with love charm, the enjoy life, and the kiss one. And that is lot number four, and it is also $5. All right, the next thing I have is whoops, not that one. Lots number 5 is a cuff bracelet. It is silver tone, really shiny silver tone. It's got that cool design on it. And it is a signed piece, so I'm asking a little more for it. And it's signed right there, and it's not going to come up on camera, I don't believe. Let me see if I've got it the right. Yeah, okay. I don't believe. I'll try to get it as close as I can and zoom in. Yep, that zoomed out. Let's see. It's not doing it. Let's see. Let's do it this way. I can get it better the other way. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that's a Premier Design logo. So it is Premier Design. It's a clamper style bracelet. There is absolutely no wear on this. It's in gorgeous shape. This is lot number 5, and I want $10 for this. $10. And it measures across, let me measure it for you. It measures across about almost, well, let's see, 2.5 inches. Yeah, 2.5 inches. So that is lot number 5, $10 Premier Design bracelet. Cuff style bracelet. Lot number 6 is this lovely gold tone, shiny gold tone, like connected, almost reminds me of like chains connected, or I guess that's what it is. It's got a toggle clasp on it. It measures 8 inches. Perfect shaped, no wear, absolutely no wear on this thing, guys. It's gorgeous. This is lot number 6, and I want $5 for it. $5 for this just beautiful bracelet. So lot number 6. This bracelet is $5. Okay, lot number 7 is a little different. In this bag here, what you get is, these were popular a few years ago. These are called Italian slider charm bracelets. They're the ones where you go like that and then you put the little charms in them. It's got one charm in there that says, I love Jesus. It's the complete bracelet, but you also get 20 charms with it. There's 20 charms, and I'm not going to go through all the charms. They're individually, never been opened in the bag. Like, that's an M. And they're all different charms. So, you get the bracelet and 20 charms, and I want $10 for this. This is lot number 7. It's the Italian slider charm bracelet with 20 charms. And you actually get 21 because there's one in 20 extra charms. There's one in the bracelet. So that's lot number 7, $10. Lot number 8, we're going to get to the necklaces. So let's move this and put Matilda there. Kind of get you backed up here so you can see what I'm going to put on here. This is a 30-inch glass beaded necklace. It does measure 30 inches. I'm going to have to put it like way up on her. Maybe I need a bigger Matilda. Matilda needs to gain some weight. So I'm going to like wrap it twice around her, which looks bad because I'm doing it wrong, but I will. But it's very pretty. It's glass beads because they're really cold. It's got a spring back clasp on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then it's just a really beautiful purple color, like real light lavenders and purples. Isn't that gorgeous? It's got a spring back clasp. It is 30 inches long, and then it comes with this pendant on it. That's raised up on there, and it's just a beautiful flower. Almost reminds you of abalone, but it's not real abalone. And then that's the bag. So that is lot number 8, the 30-inch purple glass beaded. I'm going to show it to you up close. Aren't those beads beautiful? Glass beaded necklace, and that's $5. $5 for that. Lot number 9 is a, I guess you call it, it's a beaded, but it's a statement necklace. It's really awesome. If I can get up here, Matilda, and show it to you in all its glory. It's green beaded acrylic or plastic beads. There's no seam on the beads, so that's great. And it starts out with 2 beads and then goes into 3 and, you know, at different lengths. And then it's got these gold beads on there. It does need a little cleanup on it, but I'm selling these at really heavily discounted prices, so I didn't clean any of this. Then it's on a gold tone chain, and I'm holding it. As you can see, it's got an extender on it. It measures 23 inches with a 3-inch extender. So 23 inches with, and it's not missing any of these beads. 23 inches with a, I like to hear the sound of them here. Hear the sound of them when they move together. I love that sound. 23 inches with a 3-inch extender, and I just want $5 for this. This is lot number 9. $5. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, lot number 10 is a very, you guys might remember this from one of my videos. It's just an absolute, like, I actually bought the lot off Shop Goodwill because of this one necklace in there. Look at that statement necklace now. That is a statement necklace. This is hard. These are in prong settings, so this is hard, like harder plastic than I've ever felt. But it is acrylic or plastic. I thought at first it might be milk glass, but it's not. Anyway, this is number 10. It measures 24 inches with a 3-inch extender. It's a white, I'm calling it the white and gold statement necklace. And then it's got a real small chain on it like this with the extender, lobster clasp. I'm going to turn it or flip it around and show you what it looks like on the back. So see, you got it like that. It's all got the wire around these beads. And it's just really interesting. It's heavy too. I want, this is lot number 10, and I want $5 for this. $5 for this necklace. And that's a steal, guys. You're getting a steal at that. Okay. And then lot number 11 is the last lot, and it's a lot of 3 necklaces. You get this necklace, which has a barrel clasp on it, and it's wooden beads. And I like it because the pendant part of it is usually, you know, they put the pendant part down here, the larger piece, and it's on the side, so it kind of makes it interesting. These are black wooden beads and then some brown and black wooden beads. I like it. It reminds me of like an abacus. And it's got a barrel clasp on it. See right there? It's in great shape. So you get this one. It measures 23 inches long. You get this one. This is going to be a lot. It's lot number 11, but you get 3 things. And then you get this nice, like, vintage 1980s graduated beads. It's like a turquoise blue. and it's 18 inches long. Okay, so you get that one. Woo! I'm almost falling over. My props are falling over. And then you get this one, and it's gray, and it is the graduated beads like from the 1980s, and it is 20 inches with a 2-inch extender. The gray one is. And so you get, so in that slot number 11, you get that one, and that one, guys, for $5. So that's lot number 11. So that's all the lots, and I should tell you also on shipping, which I'll put down in the description, I charge actual shipping. Depending on how many lots you buy, I just go by weight. Nothing would be over $8 because I would put it in a padded flat rate if you got here first and you, like I said, I want all of them. So that's the pop-up sale. Thank you guys for voting on that video. I'm probably going to take that video down now and close off the voting. So remember, leave a comment down below which ones you want. Please don't edit your comments, and PayPal only. Thanks, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.